Here are the pros and cons for the TECHNO CAMON 40 Premier, including special features and an overall conclusio. For the pros, versatile and high-resolution cameras, the triple 50MP rear setup and the 50MP front camera offer excellent potential for photography and videography. Exceptional durability. The IP68 to IP69 rating provides top-tier protection against the elements. Powerful performance. The Dimensity 8350 processor should handle demanding tasks and gaming smoothly. Smooth and bright display. The 144 Hz AMOLED display with high brightness offers a fluid and immersive viewing experience. Fast charging. 70 watts wired charging allows for quick battery top-ups. Advanced artificial intelligence features. The integrated artificial intelligence features for calls and camera enhance usability and offer unique functionalities. Good connectivity includes modern standards like 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC. For cons, potential software bloat. iOS, while feature-rich, can sometimes include pre-installed apps bloatware. Haptics. Some reviews mention that the haptics could be improved. The built-in Ella, artificial intelligence assistant, is noted as feeling somewhat half-baked in some reviews. Inconsistent stabilization. Video stabilization has been mentioned as inconsistent in some scenarios. Camera performance in challenging conditions. Some reviews note visible noise in photos and videos taken in low light or challenging scenes. Special features. Triple 50MP rear camera system. This is a major highlight, offering high resolution across all three lenses: wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto with 3x optical zoom, promising versatile and detailed photography. 50MP autofocus front camera. A high-resolution front camera with autofocus aims for sharp selfies and improved video call quality. IP68 to IP69 water and dust resistance. This dual rating provides exceptional protection against dust and water, including high-pressure water jets and submersion up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. This is a significant advantage for durability. Artificial intelligence call features. TECHNO has integrated several AI-powered call features, including artificial intelligence call noise cancellation, filters out background noise during calls. Artificial intelligence call translation, real-time. Two-way translation between multiple languages. Artificial intelligence call summary. Automatically transcribes calls and generates summaries and to-do lists. Artificial intelligence auto-answer. Intelligently screens and answers calls, filtering out unwanted ones. One-tap button flash snap. The dedicated button that allows for quick access to customizable options, including instantly launching the camera and taking rapid shots. Flash snap. AI3 imaging enhancements. Features like AI3 Ultra Clear Snap, AI3 Distortion Correction for ultra-wide shots, AI3 Adaptive Bokeh for portraits, and multifocal length portrait modes: 24mm, 35mm, 50mm, 70mm, 85mm. Software support. TECHNO promises up to 3 major Android upgrades and 5 years of security updates for the CAMON 40 series. Overall conclusion. The TECHNO CAMON 40 Premier appears to be a well-rounded smartphone with a strong emphasis on its camera system, durability, and AI-powered features. The triple 50MP rear cameras and the high-resolution autofocus front camera, combined with various AI enhancements, position it as a capable photography-focused device. The exceptional IP68 and IP69 rating is a significant advantage for users seeking a robust phone. However, potential buyers should be aware of the lack of expandable storage and consider that the software experience iOS might have some pre-installed apps. While the artificial intelligence call and camera features are innovative, their real-world effectiveness might vary. Ultimately, the TECHNO CAMON 40 Premier is a compelling option, particularly for users who prioritize camera versatility, durability, and innovative artificial intelligence functionalities in their smartphone. Its strong performance and fast charging are also significant plus points.